If you've ever tried erasing in Photoshop and ended up with soft, blurry edges instead of clean, sharp cuts, this video is exactly for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sharp edges eraser in Photoshop using a simple setting that most people completely miss. This is perfect when you want pixel-perfect detail, crisp shapes, or a hard-edged erase with no unwanted blur. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and select the eraser tool from the left toolbar. You can do that by pressing E on your keyboard, which is the fastest way to activate it. Once the eraser tool is selected, look up at the top options bar near the upper left of your screen. This is where Photoshop shows the tool settings, and this is the part that controls how your eraser actually behaves. Now, find the Mode drop-down menu. By default, Photoshop usually sets the eraser to brush mode. The problem with brush mode is that it tries to smooth the edges slightly, which is why you often get that soft, anti-aliased result instead of a hard, clean cut. If you want sharp edges, that setting is not the best choice. Click the Mode drop-down and change it from brush to either pencil or block. Let's start with Pencil mode. Pencil mode is great if you want a rigid eraser edge but still want some control over the size. In Pencil mode, the eraser behaves much more like a digital pencil with a hard edge. It gives you a round, crisp eraser shape, and you can still adjust the size quickly using the bracket keys on your keyboard. Press the left bracket key to make the eraser smaller, and the right bracket key to make it larger. This makes it really useful when you want sharp cuts but still need flexibility while working. If you want the absolute most rigid and pixel-like result, use Block mode. Block mode locks the eraser into a fixed square cursor that removes pixels instantly with zero anti-aliasing. This is the best option when you want hard square edges and a very exact mechanical look. It's especially useful for pixel art, clean geometric edits, or any situation where softness would ruin the design. So the quick rule is simple. If you want a hard eraser with a bit of flexibility, choose Pencil. If you want the sharpest, most square zero blur cut possible, choose Block. Either way, both modes are a huge improvement over standard brush mode when sharp edges are your goal. Once you've selected the mode you want, just erase on your canvas and you'll immediately notice the difference. The edge will look much cleaner, more precise, and far less blurry than before. That's the key to getting a sharp edges eraser in Photoshop in the fastest way possible. If you want, you can also combine this with zooming in closer for even more accuracy, especially when editing detailed shapes or cutting around fine areas. The more carefully you work, the cleaner your final result will be. And that's it. Now you know how to make a sharp edges eraser in Photoshop by switching the eraser tool from brush mode to pencil or block. This is a simple trick, but it makes a massive difference when you need clean, crisp edits. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.